Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to add a right click context pop-up menu inside your Tkinter application. So let me just show you the actual application. So I basically developed this Python script. If I just execute this, so you can basically right click on this Tkinter desktop application and this context menu will show pop-up context menu. Right click as soon as you right click. So I will show you how to show this menu on right click. So whenever you're developing any sort of application, this right click menu is very much important because it contains a lot of important options such as cut, copy. So these are all the options. You can customize it accordingly as soon as you right click. So it's very simple. First of all, let me show you how to do this. All the source code is given in the description. So first of all, you import the Tkinter module and import this everything. And then we initialize the window. And here we specify this simple label. So you simply say that right click to display menu, and after that we can even display, we can specify a width of this label, width 40, height is 20, and then we can add this label on the screen. So using the pack method, so then we can have the different options right here. For the menu, we can initialize the menu and add this on the screen, and then we can have different options to this menu using the add command method. And here we can specify whatever options which is cut, and similarly we can have more options using the add command method: cut, copy, paste, reload. And if you also want to add a horizontal vertical separator, you can add this by calling a method which is add separator, and this will add a slight vertical line in between the menu items, and then you can add another which will be renames. So we added these options, and so the menu has been successfully added. But if I try to execute this, you will not see the menu appear. You will see the menu is not appearing. So we need to make sure that as I right click, that menu should appear. So for doing that, we need to bind a simple method. So we need to bind this to the label. So we created this label right here. So we are binding this using the bind method, a on click listener. So as soon as you, so we are basically adding this to the button, a custom function which is do pop-up. So here we will define this function. So inside this function specifically, what we do, this event parameter will automatically be passed, and right here, so we call this function which is tk popup, and right here we take the coordinates event y root, and then inside the finally block we simply grab dot release. So that's all that we need to do. We just need to add a on click listener to the label. So as soon as we click we show this pop-up context right click menu. So inside this, so if you execute now, you will see, so it is saying menu object has no attribute grab. I think, let me see what is the problem here. L dot back m dot tk. There was just a typo the full source code is given in the description, guys, so I think there is some kind of typo mistake. So if I execute now once again, you will see the options will show. I've given the source code on my website. You can directly go to the description link. And thank you very much for watching this video. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.